pretty sure majority of our officers are here. So yeah, without further ado, hello everyone. Welcome to AI Club's first general body meeting. My name is Jason Ramirez. We are joined by our president, Sarush. I don't know if you want to say hi with your little hands, jazz hands. We are also joined by Dylan, our another officer in the club, Camille, Winston. I see Mometa is here as well, and then David and Mindy. But we'll get to the introduction of those people the more along we go. But we're excited to have you guys. Thank you guys for coming and appreciate for you guys for your times. And without further ado, we'll jump straight into it. So we are AI Club, first general body meeting. So, a couple reasons why you should be excited for this club is because we are, even though not, I wouldn't like to say like relatively new, but we are new, one of the newer computer science clubs on campus. I'd say that the main points out of our club that you should get would be that we offer training lessons where a lot of people don't know if like data science is for them or like machine learning is for them. We offer lessons to help train you guys, help teach you guys from the beginning. Um, you throughout the club, you get a lot of opportunities to get hands-on experience by working on projects related to machine learning, and also you get opportunities to bring up your own projects as well. So we never like to discriminate any projects that or any ideas that you have, and so even if that means you have no prior experience whatsoever, if you have an idea that you want to bring up to us, feel free, and we'd like to, help you out with that. But as far as like a professional projects that we have going on, we are working with faculty to offer positions to everyone so that you guys can work on team-based projects throughout the semester as well. And I'll be talking more about that later on. And then another thing is that we can definitely help you work on your resume as well with experiences throughout the projects, or if you even if you can want to apply to become an officer as well. You can add that to your resume. And then also, we do host a datathon, which I will be getting more into later. And then that is just free experience for you to add to your resume, a free project to be going. And yeah, overall, good, good experience. So this is the table of contents. We're gonna first be going through our officers and our team that's making this club possible, and then we'll be going over some projects, and then our main event this semester, AI X Data 2.0, and then why you should join. So this is us, not all of us, but some of us last semester. We were in our little week of welcome booth, and if you guys have hopefully joined from then you've had a chance to talk to a couple of us. But we'd like to do a couple introductions, like officially. So I'm gonna pass it off to Sarush.
Alrighty. Welcome in, everyone. Thank you, Jason, for doing the introduction. My name is Surush. I'm going to be the president of AI Club this semester. I had the chance to be the tech lead last year, and last semester I had a leave of absence, but we're here. We're here. We're good. We are here excited for a new chapter, for something uh, hopefully really, really great. Things about me very quickly. I love game development. That's where I started programming. That's where ideally I want to be in life. I am a professional good restaurant finder. Ask me about any city in SoCal. I will give me the type of food. I'll list you out all the good restaurants you can be in. All the if you want dessert and like ice cream and stuff, those are on the table as well. Um, I've seen my favorite artist live twice. Logic, Mr. 301, Bobby Tarantino. You guys may know him. He's a little corny at times, but hey, you can never go wrong. And another fun fact is I played percussions for over 10 years, from like 8 years to 18. When I was 8 years old to 18, and I think that's pretty much it. Those are some interesting facts. I'm excited to see you guys more and more this semester. Passing it on to Jason again.
Yeah, so hello everyone. I'm Jason Ramirez. I'm a part-time barista. I love music and I do not discriminate on any types of genres. And I'm gonna be hosting my own radio show this semester. Um, Proving that actually. So I'm gonna be doing like different themes, different genres every single week. So guys tune in. Not to self-plug or anything, but and then also I play electric, acoustic, and bass guitar, and my main interest for computer science would be in data science and robotics and linking the two, which I'm working on like a robotic hand project right now. It's pretty cool, and I hope to bring good good vibes this semester, and I will pass it on to Mindy if she's here.
Hi everyone, my name is Mindy. I'm the treasurer for AI Club. Some things about me is I love music. I play piano and guitar. Some of my hobbies include like crocheting, going to concerts, and recently line dancing, like country line dancing. So if anyone wants to go, let me know. And one of the reasons I'm in this club is I really want to encourage ethical applications of AI and really learning how to use it as a tool.
Hello, I'm Bertrand. I'm the secretary. Uh, I like bouldering and hiking and pickleball. Did that a lot recently, and I can be found biking around on campus. And yeah, I'm looking to see what AI can be used for in a more productive way. Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Winston. I'm going to be the event executive this semester. Uh, I joined this club to save the world from AI doom, so I'll make sure it doesn't take over everything. Some things about me is I started rock climbing over this last summer, so if you're interested in like rock climbing, hiking, swimming, any of that, just let me know. I know a couple places in the area we could do. And right now I'm learning full stack, so if you're interested in doing that, so beyond like data science and AI, it's also one of the things I'm trying to learn. So if you're ever interested in doing a project collaboration with me, hit me up. And yeah, nice meeting everyone.
I do not think Amanda is here, so I'm gonna do a little introduction for her. This is Amanda, this is our marketing director. So anybody that or anytime we post on social media, whether that be Instagram or Discord, she's the one. She likes to play badminton. She likes to travel the world and loves to read and draw. And she loves to eating more good food. So passing it on to Momenta, but I believe, yeah, she's at work.
I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm a design director. I make all the graphics. I also made the new mascot, and I do all the rebranding and stuff. I really enjoy creating that goes from like drawing, crafting, designing. I love hanging out with my friends, and my favorite animals are jellyfish, ravens, and owls. I have a more creative route for CS, but I'm also interested in data science and machine learning, and I also want to ensure the ethical use of AI.
Hello, everyone. My name's Camille. I'm the project executive. I have some pretty nerdy hobbies, mainly carnivorous plant growing, and my profile picture are my wild betta fish. Recently, I got into drawing, and I also love eating food around Asia. That picture, I'm in Shanghai, but this year I will be in Hong Kong. So nice to meet everyone.
I do not believe Adrian is here, so I'm gonna do it again. So this is our recruitment director. He's gonna be in charge of our mentor mentee program, and then also any TikToks that we post or anything as well. He's the guy. He's apparently for the CCS 451 TA. So try to befriend him if you ever run into him and get on his good side. He's interested in AI ML research and applications. He has a pretty good Pokemon collection. I've spoke to him about it. It's pretty cool. And then he is open to any TikTok ideas you guys have for the club. So yeah, moving on to Dylan.
Hi everyone, I am Dylan. I am going to be your finance director for the AI Club. I am interested in machine learning and I am interested in video games and video game design and making them, and as well as drawing as math. So I'm kind of more in this for the whole language. So hopefully we get more about the linguistics of machine learning. But all areas of data science is fun and amazing.
I do not believe Han can make it either. So again, I'm gonna do a little introduction. This is our networking director. He reaches out to like any events or any like sponsorships like outside of like Cal State Long Beach. He likes to try new things. He works at the writing center as a tutor, so you might run into him during that. Addicted to caffeine, and also a part of our men's ultimate frisbee club. And he's also interested in AI, deep learning. And then I believe David's here, so I'm gonna let him speak about it.
Yeah, my name's David. I'm the tech lead for the club. I want to get into software engineering and machine learning. I love space. And a few things about me is I love drawing and journaling. I like learning about different philosophies and philosophers. That's been kind of like my niche recently. I like reading books. My favorite book is Discipline is Destiny. Love sightseeing and hiking. I play volleyball at school, intramural sometimes. So if you see me there, say hi. Um, I like meaningful, in-depth conversations, and I do some modeling for fun too. So that's some about me.
Yeah, but that's pretty much our board for this semester. I'm excited to be working with everyone, and we're excited to bring what we have to offer. So, moving on to current projects, I'd like to pass the torch to Camille to talk more about it, since she is our project executive and she can be more detailed. So, passing the torch.
All right. So these projects, these ones I launched last semester, and they're all going to be completed this semester, but one will be completed in the following semester. Hello, Jacob. All right. So first couple ones, the research ones I launched. So research, the outcome of this is a formal publication and research journal. You get to go to conferences, symposiums, actually present your work in the research space. So one of the ones I did is electrical engineering sensor angle. This was just predicting the angle degrees from flex sensor bending machine. Second one is protein conformations. It's almost like an improved version of AlphaFold, if anyone's familiar with, but we're trying to find like the in-between proteins instead of just the final active state. Yeah, guys, number two was fun. Okay. Next we have the research and more products one. So these two projects, they're both research and a physical product at the end. So the first one is fall detection. This one was also electrical engineering. It's just applying tiny MLs and neural networks onto a microcontroller unit. The second one is lizard tail and behavior. This was a collab project with Dr. Putman from the biology department. So this one will also be a research publication and creating a website for actually non-programmer professors to sort of customize our own CNN. Lastly, on the bottom, we have some competitions with our partner club ASME. So there's IM3D competition happening in Dallas, April, and there's XRC, this one is also happening this semester. So these are just some of our current projects, and you can go to the next slide about our upcoming projects. So these are the upcoming projects. The first two I'll be launching in the upcoming weeks. So these ones we're collaborating with CECS 451 professor, Dr. Ju Moon. The first one, it's going to be more of an AI tool. So this one we're just using LLM API integration in Outlook, similar to what Gemini does for Google. So just you can find emails from a description prompt. You don't have to search by keyword only, summarize long emails, this type of tool. Second one, it's more unique. Thank you, Sarush and Fujan, for this idea. And the idea is professors can and lecturers, they can input old course material into our AI tool. And looking back at the textbooks they want to use and research articles, it can update whatever they input to more current up-to-date information. These are the upcoming projects I'll be sending in the next weeks. For work in progress, the temperature sensor one, this one's research. It is coming, it's just later. Arrow Sharks, they're a drone club. I'm waiting for them to vote on their next project. BattleBots, we're waiting for funding. Hopefully, we can get that for March. The other one from ASME, I'm waiting for a couple officers from their side to verify their time and availability. HPVC, Kyle's behind me. Please let us into this project. And lastly, the vote I sent out last time, it looks like math won. So right now, I'm cold emailing math professors, probably very heavy theoretical research projects, but these are just some of the things to look forward to.
Thank you, Camille. Yes, and then once I'll have a slide later in the GBM that joins to our Discord. Once she does have these projects like set in stone and we are recruiting people to these teams, we'll be keeping everyone posted in the project recruitment channel. So keep an eye out. Proteins. And then next on the agenda. So as far as our general body meetings, throughout the semester, we are going to be bi-weekly. When I was booking the rooms, they kind of messed up. So it is going to be bi-weekly, but next week is going to be our next GBM, which I'll talk about later. They're going to be in person, and during these GBMs, you can have workshops hosted. Last semester, we did like how to build your own chatbot. We did like introductions to data science and all these other different things. But this semester, I want to do more like hands-on coding interactive ones. So when you guys do come to these workshops, you're gonna learn a new skill. We want to do more of an open conversation about AI in general and the ethics of it. So we're like in the talks of collaborating with like the philosophy like clubs on campus and like a couple different other people to like talk about the ethics of it as well. And then also just knowing more about the industry in general, about data science, machine learning, seeing if you like it, if it's for you. Another thing we like to promote is that we are very community based. Last semester, we did host AIX study, so just study sessions for everyone to come in, work on projects, and then also just get to know everybody in the club as well. And this semester we are excited to be hosting guest speakers as well. So we did get a couple people reach out to us from tech startups, and this one from Carmel Labs. He is a founder and wants to speak to all the Cal State Long Beach computer science students as well. He is recruiting interns for his computing company, and he wants to give us a talk about like his company, his journey, and then just network with people. So keep an eye out for that, and then we're definitely going to get more guest speakers coming as well to try to inspire you guys to try to really get this club going. And then the main event of this semester and everything that we've been promoting will be AIX Data 2.0 in 2026. So if you don't know what AIX Data is, it is just a hackathon that's for data science, really. And there's going to be multiple pillars throughout it and cash prizes as well. It would be a 16-hour competition where you would be receiving a data set, looking at it, trying to solve a problem within it and making your own solution from that, whether that be like organizing the data correctly or that be making your own machine learning model. Um, it is completely like beginner friendly. You don't have to have any experience, and that's what we are here for as this club. So we are going to prepare you for that, but I'll get that into that a little later. But yeah, at this event, we threw it last year very successfully. We had over, I think, 100 applicants towards it. So we're gonna have like different cash prizes. There's gonna be industry professionals there to try to judge you guys, and then as well as faculty as well. There's gonna be guest speakers, snacks, breakfast, and everything else like combined that comes with a good hackathon. So this is what to look out for next, as far as it comes to the AIX data. So the next steps would be to attend our workshops to prepare your skills for it, to try to get your data set skills going. So that way, by the time you do go, you're prepared for it and you know what to expect. We're gonna start sending out applications around early March, and then once we have the website finalized, you're gonna have the chance to sign up for it and be accepted into it. And then I have like await acceptance letter. And then the tentative date for the datathon would be April 17th to the 18th. And we are working on getting the booking right now, but as far as like it's looking right now, this is probably the date that we're gonna be going with. So mark your guys' calendars, get ready for it, prepare for it, and yeah, hopefully it should be a good time. And then again, how to get started. So we are gonna have live workshops leading towards the datathon, whether that be our general body meetings or when it comes to like time comes closer to April, we will be hosting AIX training, which would be live walkthroughs, code walkthroughs, where you get to start from scratch of building your own like going through the foundations of like everything you would need. And yes, it is subject to change, but for the date of April 17th to 18th, but this is the tentative date as of right now. But yeah, so you can walk through like your live workshops. We'll be keeping everyone posted on when those would be hosted. We also have YouTube tutorials already posted from our previous year. If you would like to look at those were hosted by our previous vice president, Sean Lin, which is actually in our Zoom right now. So big props to him for doing all those. And if they're there for your disposal. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad, wrong one. But yeah, they're there for your disposal. You can like watch them anytime and then get started. And we got you covered. So I'm gonna leave this up for a little bit. This is basically a interest form where if you would like to be notified via email, for when the yes, different person. I'm so sorry. I misread the last letter. Um, but yeah, if you would like to be notified via email for when the websites go live, of course we're gonna be posting everything on our socials, whether that be through like Instagram or Discord as well. But if you'd prefer email and just know yourself, because I know myself, and if I have things on mute or if I don't go on Instagram, I'm gonna miss it. And I would prefer it to be like emailed exactly when it happens. So you can scan the QR code right here, just input your email, and then we'll be sending those your way once they do come. But again, around early March would be the application window. And then another big exciting thing this semester that we are going to be doing would be their AI Club Mentor X Mentee program. So, what this is basically a mentorship program for where you would get to join and become a mentee of our officers on the club as well. So, if you have any like I guess, interest in trying to step up your leadership skills, or if you see one of us and are very interested in what we're doing and want to be able to get more involved on campus, especially, I definitely recommend scanning the QR code, signing up for our interest form, and we'll be starting to getting those roll out after February 24th. So this would be the final deadline, or uh it's open to extension if we need to, but as of right now, February 24th will be the last day that you can sign up to become a mentee of our club. So you get to network with a bunch of different people. Joining this club has definitely, as an officer, has definitely been an experience that I've never would have gotten anywhere else as like a normal student. It looks great on your resume. You can come in and then also like be a network with like a bunch of different faculty members, a bunch of different industry experts, and really just get your experience going. So I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna leave it up just for a little bit in case anyone wants to scan it. But again, I will be posting all this stuff in the Discord as well. So if even if you miss it or like right now, I will uh, be posting it so you guys can have it. And then these are our other resources. So this is our Instagram to the left. There's the Discord in the middle, and then our YouTube channel, as I was saying, for what's it called? For you guys to like watch on your own leisure if you guys would like. Leave those up for a little bit. All right, cool. And then another very exciting thing now is that we have a website. We did have a website beforehand, but we were able to fine tune it and, have it more like up to date with like our officers and our like different workshops and projects that we're gonna have going on. So if you'd like to get involved that way, this is the QR code to it. This is also the link to it as well. And yeah.
Also, we will be posting like calendar updates there. So if you guys are just like a little bit feel a little bit behind, you guys could check the website and there'll be up-to-date calendar updates on it. Also, I want to make sure it pops up on like the top of the Google search. So if you guys can search that more, that would be awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, extra brownie points if you did. Yeah, but and then this is what's upcoming next. So our next, like as I said before, our meeting times or our room bookings got a little confused. So we will be bi-weekly, but next week, February 17th, Tuesday in Horn Center, 121, we will be hosting our next GBM, which would be about prompt engineering. We'll want to keep it more general, so we'll have people like we'll have it specialized for like those coders, those non-coders, those different things, but more like general for the topic of like AI and like prompt engineering in general. And then again, to keep posted on the project recruitment as well, in our Discord under the project recruitment, we will be posting the announcements for when those recruitments would be happening. You can be a part of our team, gain actual experience, and then sign up for the datathon in the beginning of March, which is gonna be soon. And then if you did sign up for that interest form, emails will be going out towards you guys. And then in Discord and obviously Instagram as well. And then this one's gonna be kind of short, guys. We just wanted to do an introduction of AI Club on campus, what we have coming up with our workshops, with our guest speakers, with our datathon, sorry, as well. And I hope you guys had enjoyed it. And I will hopefully be seeing you guys soon. Is there anything else anybody else would like to add?
I would add a little thing. Um, so guys, we are going to have the datathon be a little bit different this year. It's really exciting. The pillars are going to be similar, uh, but there are more to it, and we might have a fourth pillar this year. Who knows? The judgment system is going to be a little bit different, and it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful event. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It would be, you won't be disappointed, I will say.
Yes, 100%. But I'll be taking any questions now if you guys have any. But if not, then thank you guys so much for coming, guys. I really appreciate you guys' time, and definitely keep out in our Discord and our Instagram and for our emails if you signed up for those as well. And last year's is so great. I'm so excited for this. Yay! Yep, 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 yep. But if no one else has anything else to do, you guys have a great rest of your day. And then post the rest of the interest forms and everything in the Discord as well. So,
Play the outro music,
bam, bada, bam,
Jason.
bam. Yeah, I wish I did have some outro music.
That would be cool.
That'd be great.
Oh
Yeah.
wait, Han was here.
Han was, oh, Han was here. Oh, wow.